How's it, you guys? I'm quickly going to show you how to create a virtual environment for you to create, say, websites or build whatever you want with Python and Django. So, first thing you want to do is create a directory. To do this, to do this, I want to show you, uh, okay, dir. And then name for your directory, let's just call it website. Okay, that's created. Now to go to it, quite easy, cd website, and there you are, you're in the directory. Now you have to create a virtual environment, which separates your environment from all other projects. So to do this, you type in Python dash m virtual environment, and then you give it a name. Let's call it virtual v environment. Okay, so now it's running, it'll create that environment. Sorry, my laptop is a little bit slow, so it will take some time. And next I'm going to show you is how to activate it. So after you activated it, you can install anything like Django or any other framework you want to work with. Yeah, that just makes it much easier. This is the correct proper way. I struggled a bit to figure this out, but yeah, I got it right. So just bear with me for a second. Let it just create this environment. Yeah, I hope you guys find my videos helpful, and I'm just trying to help you guys out. I wasted a lot of time trying to do this. Okay, here it is. So to activate the virtual environment so that you can actually install the frameworks, you do this. Virtual environment forward slash, or maybe it should be a backslash, we'll see now, scripts, and activate. No, virtual environment, let's try backslash, scripts, activate. And there it is. So you see now you're in your virtual environment, you're ready to start installing any frameworks you want to work with. If that's Django or whatever, whatever it is, just say pip install Django. And if you run that, it will install the framework for you. And that's it, you guys. So I hope you found this helpful, and I'm glad to be of service. Thank you, and have a great day.